Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, guys.
Morning.
We are group 2 and today we would like to start our glossary from the article and entitled Improving Biology Learning in High School with ChatGPT, a case study in Morocco. First of all, thank you to Mr. Adam SPD for the opportunity and also to all of you for attention and enthusiasm. Alright, let's get started. The first glossary will be presented by Amelsa. To Amelsa, time is yours.
Thank you, Hadi. So guys, I will explain the glossaries given in the article Improving Biology Learning in High School with ChatGPT, a case study in Morocco. But I will only explain 7 glossaries. So the first one is consistency. Consistency refers to steadiness, agreement, or uniformity over time, meaning doing something regularly or maintaining the same standard continuously. The second is cognitive abilities. Cognitive abilities are mental skills that enable individuals to think, learn, reason, understand information, and solve problems. The third is constructivist approach. The constructivist approach is a learning theory stating that learning actively with their own knowledge through experience, exploration, and interaction with the environment rather than simply receiving information passively. The fourth is conceptual. Conceptual refers to something related to real-life situation or everyday contexts that are relevant to the learning material. The five is collaborative learning. Collaborative learning is a learning method in which groups of students work together to solve problems, complete tasks, or create products. It emphasizes cooperation and interaction. The sixth is collective thinking. Collective thinking is a process in which a group of people work together to generate ideas, insight, or solutions that are better than what they could produce individually. The sixth is complex and abstract concept. These are ideas or theories that are not easily understood directly and require deeper explanation, logical thinking, and interpretation. And the last, cloning. Cloning is the process of creating genetically identical copies of cells, tissues, or organisms. The core result has the same genetic makeup as the original source. So, that's some of the glossary. Thank you.
Okay, the next present glossary by Delphia. To Delphia, time is yours.
Okay, I'm going to explain the next glossary. The first one, chromosome. Chromosome, the structure that varies genetic material DNA within the cell nucleus. Next, chromosome reduction. Reduction is the number of chromosomes from diploid to haploid during meiosis. Next, chromosome interpretation. The process of evaluating and analyzing the number and structure of a particular chromosome to detect genetic abnormalities or definition. Next, crossing over. The exchange of chromosomes happens between homologous chromosomes during meiosis, which cause genetic variation. Next, deep learning. Deep learning, a learning approach that enables in-depth and detailed understanding of concepts. Next, discipline. Discipline, a branch of knowledge that is taught or research at the university level, recognized by academic journals and practiced by professional individuals. Next, digital era. Digital era, a period when digital technology becomes an essential part of human life, include education. And the last, equity and education, ensuring fair access to learning opportunities for our students regardless of background.
Okay, the next present glossary by Gevira. To Gevira, time is yours.
Okay, I will explain the next glossary. The first one, educational inequalities, difference in access to and quality of education among different social groups. The education, the teaching and learning process aim at developing intellectual, emotional, and individual skills. Next, environmental sustainability, the responsible use of research to maintain ecological balance for future generations. Next, humans or thermal sex scales such as sperm and eggs that carry out the number of chromosomes of the parents organism. Then next, genetics, a branch of biology that studies heredity and the variation of traits among living organisms. Next, generative AI, artificial intelligence that can automatically generate text, image, or other context. Next, genetic recombination, the process of exchanging genetic material DNA or RNA between two different nucleic acid molecule or between different parts of the same molecule. Next, genetic variability, genetic diversity in a population resulting from different genetic combination. Okay, the next model will be delivered by Kevin.
Okay, the next glossary will be explained by Felisa. Felisa, time is yours.
Okay, I will explain the next glossary. The first one, gen therapy. A treatment technique that involves inserting, removing, or replacing gens to treat disease. The next, genetical modified organism or GMO. Genetic material or DNA that is altered using genetic engineering technology to preserve traits that cannot occur through natural mating or recombination. Number 3, genotype, the genetic makeup of an organism consisting of the combination of alleles or sets of genes inherited from both parents. The next, high order thinking skill or cost. The ability to analyze, evaluate, and judge based on expert knowledge. The next, human mediation, the process of resolving disputes or conflict through negotiation in which a neutral independent third party or mediator helps The disputing practice or rights mutually beneficial agreement. The next, human genome sequencing, the process of determining the complete DNA base sequence in the human genome. The next, heredity, the inheritance, the genetics from parents to tiers of offspring. The next, homologous chromosome, a part of chromosome that have the same size and gain agreement one from the father and one from the mother. Okay, thank you.
Okay, the next glossary Mari explained by Dahlia. Dahlia, time is yours.
Okay, I will explain next glossary. Learning motivation. Learning motivation, internal and external drive that encourage to engage enthusiastically in learning. Learning quality. The level of success and effectiveness of a learning process. The next, language, culture, and external aids. Three closely related components that influence how human interact with the world and with each other. The next, mediator. A neutral party that assists disputing parties in reaching settlement without making decisions or imposing their will. The next, meiosis. The process of cell division that produces gamete sex cell. With how the number of chromosomes of the parent cell is important in sexual reproduction and genetic inheritance. The next, memorization. The process of remembering or storing information in memory. The next, meaning learning. A learning process that connects new knowledge with prior experience. Thank you.
And that concludes our presentation of the glossary from the article Improving Biology Learning in High School with ChatGPT, a case study in Morocco. Does anyone have a question or criticism? Raise your hand, please.
Memberi kritikan atau saran.
Okay, no part time is yours.
Okay, my friends, thank you. I have our suggestion here. So, my suggestion is that you will be better to ask more varied invitation so that the presentation is more lively and also free. Jadi, kepada yang presentasi, lebih bagusnya ke depan kita harus lebih baiknya menggunakan intonasi yang lebih bagus lagi sehingga audiens atau pendengar kita di sini bisa mendengar yang lebih baik dan semua juga kita presentasinya dapat hidup dan menciptakan suasana yang tenang lagi. Terima kasih.
Okay, thank you, Novan, for your criticism. We will improve in the future. Okay, we hope our explanation has helped everyone better understand the key term in this study. Thank you all. to listening. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Eh, bentar.